right.
Off-roading. So here we go. Tommy El Garage in a 335.
All right, this is gonna be fun. You know, I've actually never driven a 335. I'm serious.
Is this true?
Yeah, that's true. Absolutely true.
You would have bought one probably.
And then where's the clutch? It's oh, I see it. That pedal is the clutch. Gotcha.
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna put in manual.
Sure.
All right. Hold on. Let's rev it up first a little bit. Now, does it have different if I put in Sport? Sport Plus?
Sport Plus is no traction.
Oh no, we want traction. Sport?
Yeah, Sport would do.
All right. So we're. You have a radar detector?
No.
All right. Well, that might be a problem. Ooh. Jesus. What's under the hood? Oh, you can't tell. Oh my God.
It's an N26.
Jeez.
Sounds like a jet.
It does sound like a jet.
It sounds like it sucks in small children.
What intakes do you have on this thing?
I have an MST intake.
Oh, the burble sounds so good. Oh. Jesus, you hear that? God, I thought that was a cop behind us, but wow. This
If you
is
go up to the main
awesome.
road, you can go right like we did earlier.
All
or you
right.
can go left and actually do it.
Oh my God, that's insane.
You know what the best part is?
What?
Traction.
I know. All-wheel drive.
I'm not being like sarcastic.
No, you're
like,
absolutely right.
Because honestly, the reason that I went with the 335 instead of the M3
Yeah.
is because of snow in this area.
Oh my God, are you hearing this? Now, that's boot mod, right?
Boot mode.
Boot mode, yeah. Is it boot mode or boot mod?
Boot mode.
Alright.
The 3 is actually an E.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, I like this. Look at
I
that.
just did that yesterday.
Very cool.
You're fancy
I
in here.
like this. Super fancy. But it's very similar to my car. There's a wire hanging over here.
There's the glove box delete for extra
Glove box
for
delete.
extra knee space and
Okay.
for other things.
All right. People know this car in the area. I don't want to get you in trouble, but holy moly, this thing pulls.
Give me your honest observance here. I'm getting like sucked into my seat.
All right, so compared to the F80, different type of power.
Yeah.
First of all, on the F80, you can't really. It's hard to put the traction down, especially when the roads are wet. But in this one, it feels like the nose is lifting. There's so much traction. It feels like, you know, in the like in the RS7, you see these videos, these cars accelerating, they're just squatting. It feels like the car is squatting when it's accelerating.
You got guys behind you.
All right. The exhaust of the the sound of the turbos is just awesome. Holy moly! It takes a while for them to spool up, but after they spool up, it's just it pulls really hard. The steering feels heavier, which I like. It feels kind of direct.
You're in manual.
Yep. I like these transmissions, these 8 speeds that they put in them.
Yeah.
Because they shift just like dual clutches.
See, when I bought the car, it didn't have paddle shifters, and I retrofitted the F80 paddles
that's
in there.
right. They feel great. They feel
Nice.
absolutely. Wait, it didn't have paddle shifters at all?
No, like I had to buy the cutout in the back and drill holes in the wheel
Jeez.
and go through all that.
You don't mess around, do you?
Here's a video.
That was before you and I met. I love the digital gauges. I actually wish there was a retrofit for the F80. I would totally go with these gauges. So much better. Can you change the color of the background?
So if you go to different modes, it'll display different
Gotcha.
colors.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
And then Eco Pro is a blue.
Oh, I would drive an Eco Pro all the time. The turbo sound is just, oh my god, so intoxicating. I love it. The car definitely feels awesome.
Thanks.
What stands out is the is really the engine, the turbos. At idle, oh, it moves. That's right, because it's an automatic. I have to keep my foot on the brake. The exhaust, what is it? The AWE?
AWE.
Straight pipe with cats or no cats?
I have a muffler on it actually. It's AWE Touring.
Okay.
With the mid pipe that has the resonator delete, and then I have a.
But it doesn't drone. It doesn't drone actually.
No, it's not bad. And then I have a catted Evolution Raceworks downpipe on it.
I would burn all the gas just doing this. Do your neighbors love you?
Suction burble. Suction
yes,
burble.
And then you vomit, or your passenger vomits. Oh man, no, but this is really cool.
Awesome.
It's one fast F30.
Well, it's got. I'll tell you what it has on it.
Yeah.
I'll even come on the camera.
Yeah.
So right now it has, as he mentioned, it has Evolution Raceworks catted downpipe. It has AWE Touring exhaust and mid pipe. It has a pure Stage 2 turbo. It has a custom tune by Kerry Jordan. It has Evolution Raceworks turbo to intercooler charge pipe. Just don't pull in my driveway right now. Keep going straight.
So you stopped on intercooler. This car has an intercooler.
Intercooler. All right, so it has a turbo to intercooler charge pipe. It also has an Evolution Raceworks intercooler. And then on the other side of the intercooler, we have the intercooler to throttle body charge pipe. We have an MST intake. We have a pure inlet. We have, what else do we have? But yeah, there's other stuff too. It's just, it's at the point now where it's exciting. It's got a long list. I have to like.
Well, don't forget about the visuals. You've done a lot of visuals. You've got the aero. You've got the carbon stuff. You've got the wheels. You've got the calipers that you've painted, and it's all, it's all, he's done all the work himself. So kudos to Bryan for being a DIY guy and doing the work himself. I first got a wind of Bryan when I was browsing online a couple of years ago, seeing a retrofit, a 5 Series retrofit of someone getting a bigger screen. I'm like, wow, this guy is so cool. He's fitting all that stuff just by himself like that. And then a couple of years later, he's a best man at my wedding. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so thanks for letting. Hold on.
You have to pee.
No. How do I?
There you go. You're good.
All right, that's one thing. Okay, if I'm being honest, this gear shift gear selector, I'm not really on all BMWs, not just this one. Even the M with the dual clutch, it's so annoying to shift. This one's probably better because it's more intuitive. For example, with the M1, you can put it in park.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You just turn the car off, and yeah, it's awful. Sorry to those of you who own those cars. Great cars. No, but yeah, but the car is super fast, and thank you for letting me drive. Ooh, carbon fiber stuff. Look at this. Damn.
What the heck?
Look at that.
What the heck?
What? I have ADD probably. I do.
What the heck?
Thank you very much for letting me drive it. I really appreciate it, and thanks as always, Bryan, for all your help you've given me throughout the months that we've known each other. No, but check out Bryan's channel. Check out his channel, and make sure you have subscribed to his channel. Don't just watch it like that. Hit that subscribe button, and there's a little bell next to it. Hit that bell so you get notified every time he uploads a video. All right, we're done. We're back at Bryan's house. Yeah. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let me know down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to Bryan over at Kies Motorsport. Subscribe to me if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.